Hi guys, I went plant shopping, which is always so exciting. And I got this. What is it? Well, it just says succulent, but it's some sort of crassula, I think. And I got this. Also, some other sort of crassula. It's got nice fuzzy leaves. Cut off that spent bloom. And I got this kalanchoe. I've got the white version of it. This is a bit brown at the bear's paw. And then I got this. It's an aloe or a gasteria. There's no name on it. I think this is a Mexican giant. I got one for me and one for my sister-in-law. So that's that. And this is a Semperviva. So unusual. I like the sharp tips. And I got this agave, and it's Ferdinandi Regis Fernandi. Yeah, so it was on special and it was half price as well because it's so damaged. I think maybe it was got, I don't know if it got frost damage, but you can see it's dried, and I hope it's not root rot, but there might be root rot. It might have been overwatered, but I took it, so I'm going to try and separate them and hopefully revive it because they are really pretty plants. It's just too bad this one was damaged or neglected or overwatered or got frost or whatever damage. Look how bad it looks, but I'll separate them now, and these are all fine. I'm gonna put them in the garden once I do them, once I find a spot for them. So that's all good. It's just that I'm worried about and I want to repot. So I'll just put these aside, and then I'll start with this. I'll start repotting that. Right, let's get this out of this pot. Oh, it is really wet. And you know, we had such terrible weather and we had hail. Ugh. This thing is very wet. That's why it's probably, I hope I can save them. Ew. Yeah. We had hail, rain, and winter was so wet. So probably that's why this got over soaked in the rain. So if I can save them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants. Yeah. I hope so, because these are not cheap, but I got them for $4 now. I mean, I got this whole plant for $4 because it was on the bargain rack, bargain table. Look, terrible. The soil is so wet. Me cut all these things out. Maybe I might just take out all this wet stuff, and ew, see how wet it is. Okay, leave that there. Leave that there. It's not smelling. Doesn't have a rotten odor. Ow! Poked me, which is good. Not that it poked me, but that it doesn't have an odor. The leaves are still holding on tight, so I'll leave that. And you can see, I don't know if you can see, it looks okay. Yeah, some roots died. They're soggy. I'll just pull those ones out. So that's what's caused all this marking and caused it to go brown. Ew. Yeah, that root was done. And these roots, oh, must check the other one's roots. Yeah, I might just put it in dry soil and leave it there for a while to recover. The roots are all there. Those that are not rotten. It's okay. Let's see this one. This didn't have any rotten roots. Okay, that's good. The soil is really nice, but it's just, I know we had too much of water. I mean, too much of water. The weather has been terrible. And even the start of spring has been terrible with hail and wind. Today is just a little bit okay, but the wind has been terrible every single day. I'll leave that on. It's not ready to come off, so I'll keep that on. Doesn't matter if it looks like that. Once the new leaves come, the old one will dry up enough to be removed. I don't want to remove them if they're not ready. That roots were, oh, let me check the roots. Did I check its roots? Yeah, counted. It's okay. Right, this one's not too bad. Look, it looks pretty good. It's like almost good as new, like no damage there. But yeah, lucky I got it. I'll pot them up and watch them grow. Once they're big enough or healthy again, I'll put them in the ground. Because I like these. These look just like the Victoria Reginae, but these are, what was it called again? Oh, where's that label now? Something Ferdinandi. Agave Ferdinandi. Oh, right. There's it. Fernandi Regis. Agave Fernandi Regis. Yeah, they look similar. It just doesn't have as much markings as the Victoria Reginae. But for $4, I don't mind taking care of it and letting it recoup. Oh, look, this was a baby. Damn shame. I don't think you can do anything with that. Broke off from somewhere. Just checking the soil if there's any more. Right, so that's that. Which one poked me? So one of them poked me. Stinging. Okay, let's see, where can I pot them up? I don't want two big pots, but also they got so much of roots. Put that big one there. Yeah, let me put that big one here. And right. Maybe two can go here. Yeah, two can go in that pot. And I'll do one there and one in here. Yes, that sounds good. Let me get some soil. Oh, let me plant it in here. One at a time. You can wait there. Maybe I'll give this its own pot. Yeah. See, these might be better. Yes, this is actually better because it's not as big or deep, and I don't need so much of soil. Is that other? Oh, I don't have another tall pot. Okay, that will have to go in there. Let me pot up this big one. Keep that there. I got my soil here. That's nice and re-draining. Lots of grit, pumice in it, and pumice, not pumice, perlite. Well, it does have some pumice, I think, naturally from the store. Right, let's do this one, the small ones first. I'll just squeeze it in. Ah, the roots are quite firm, so I can't bend them too much. Looks good. I mean, for $4, this is not bad at all. In fact, and this doesn't have this plant here, this baby doesn't have any sign of rotting, or the leaves are not burnt or discolored. I think that should be enough soil. Yay! I'll pot up this one and then I'll do the rest and show you. Look, that looks really good. Okay, I'm all done. I potted them all up, so I'll show you what they look like. So there's now 5 plants here, so I'll show you close up of the plants. Once they've been taken out of that pot, they don't look as bad, but you can still see it's got all that damage. That one doesn't have any. And this has got edge damage on the edge, and this is the main mother plant. That leaf there is damaged, but it's still firm, so I won't pull it out. I did take out the ones that were soft and mushy, so you can see, I don't know if you can see those little lines inside, those markings. Once it recovers, hopefully the babies all get those. Oh dear, you can see too many things here. Need to put the soil back. Yeah, but that one is also okay, only the edge is brown. So now I've got 5 plants. They need to recover, so I'll keep them. What happened here? This is the edge. I'll keep them in the alfresco to recover, and once they recover and I can see new growth in them, I'll put them outside in the ground. I hope it comes out lovely, because once they're healthy and big, they look really pretty. That's my agave rescues, and I'll keep you updated on how they do, and we'll see how they progress and how big they grow. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.